Hi everyone, this is your Thursday morning weather update. Despite there being a risk for showers over kind of a large geographic area, there haven't been a lot of showers. So it's sort of annoying because it just kind of looks like it's going to rain all the time, and then, you chance it, you go outside without your umbrella, and then of course that's when it rains. So just have the umbrella nearby. There's a good chance you won't need it all the time, but you'll be happy that you have it when it does start raining. So I guess that's kind of the way I would do it. So we're starting off cloudy, mainly dry for a good part of the day here in the New York City metro. Can't rule out a couple of brief showers this morning or this afternoon, but there are strong signals that as we head into the late evening and overnight hours, that there will be some heavier rain that develops. And there could be some flooding with some of this heavier rain that happens later on tonight and into early tomorrow morning. What a way to kick off your Friday, right? Hopefully we don't see too much of that around, but certainly the rain's going to be heavy. The pollen outlook, it has been high, especially without so much of that widespread steady rain that would limit it at least a little bit if it were happening. But that's not what's happening. With the scattered showers, we still have some pretty high pollen counts. And then once we dry out and start to pick up that wind a little bit, that pollen will be pretty unbearable the way it looks like heading into the weekend. So make sure you're taking your allergy medicine if you suffer from allergies. 65 today in Albany with some scattered showers. A pretty steady rain has been working its way through central New York with highs later today in the upper 60s. So despite the rain, we got a lot of 60s and even some 70s. So you got a lot of warm air that's pushing north. Tonight, more scattered showers, some embedded thunderstorms. Looks like there will be some thunderstorms in western New York, maybe even into central New York by late tonight. Same deal for Pennsylvania, and maybe a couple of thunderstorms and heavy rain coming through New York City tonight. And that's why I think there's the potential for some flooding overnight and into tomorrow morning. Here's what's going on. Big area of low pressure. Yesterday, the severe weather was around Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Lots of severe weather, very dangerous weather, in fact. Today, that really dangerous weather is in the mid-Ohio Valley. Ohio has had a tremendous amount of tornadic activity so far this year, and here we go again with the threat for tornadoes in Ohio. Those thunderstorms, as they move east and start to weaken, are the thunderstorms that I think could reach western and central New York later on tonight. The Storm Prediction Center is highlighting that area in Ohio for a higher risk and a moderate risk of severe weather this afternoon. And we also have some strong storms down in the southeast, and maybe just a marginal threat of some severe weather in western New York and western Pennsylvania. So we got some showers, maybe some thunderstorms tomorrow morning, then we start to dry out. Saturday looks like the better of the two weekend days, with showers coming through the northeast pretty quickly. This looks like a clipper system on Sunday. Check out next week, folks. 70s and dry weather. Can't wait for that. All right, guys, that's your Thursday morning weather update. And remember, as long as you want there to be, there's always a 100% chance of good things.